In this video, you'll learn how to set up Zoho Mail with your own domain so you can send and receive email using a professional address instead of a generic one. We'll walk through the core steps slowly and clearly, so even if you're new to custom domains or DNS settings, you'll be able to follow along. First, you'll need to be logged into your Zoho Mail account. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one on the Zoho Mail website, then sign in and come back to these steps. Once you're in, look for the admin or control panel area where Zoho lets you manage domains and email hosting. This is usually labeled as the place to add or manage domains for your organization. Now, the key requirement is that you already own a domain name. This could be a domain you bought from providers like Hostinger, Namecheap, GoDaddy, or any other registrar. You don't have to move the domain away from your provider. You're just going to connect it to Zoho Mail so Zoho can handle your email. Inside Zoho Mail's admin area, look for the option to add a new domain. When Zoho prompts you to enter your domain, carefully type in the domain name you own without any extra spaces or typos. For example, if your domain is yourbusiness.com, enter it exactly like that, then confirm or proceed to the next step. Once you've added your domain, Zoho needs to verify that you're the actual owner of that domain before it will start handling email for it. This is a standard security step used by most email providers. To verify ownership, Zoho will give you a special DNS record, usually in the form of a TXT record or sometimes a CNAME record. At this point, keep your Zoho screen open because you'll need to copy the exact values they provide. Open a new tab and log into the website where you manage your domain, typically your domain registrar. Find the DNS management or DNS zone editor section for your domain. This is where all of your domain's records like AMX and TXT are listed. Now go back to the information Zoho gave you. If it's a TXT record, Zoho will show you a host or name field and a value or content field. In your DNS manager, add a new TXT record, paste the host exactly as shown, and then paste the value exactly as well. If Zoho has given you a CNAME record instead, create a new CNAME record and enter the host and target values exactly as they appear on Zoho's screen. Accuracy is very important here. Even a small mistake, like an extra dot or missing character, can cause the verification to fail. After you've added the record, save or apply the changes in your DNS settings. DNS updates can sometimes take a few minutes to propagate, and in some cases up to an hour or more, depending on your provider. When you're done, go back to Zoho Mail and click the button to verify your domain. If everything is set up correctly and the DNS change has propagated, Zoho will confirm that your domain ownership has been verified. Once that's complete, your domain is successfully connected to Zoho Mail, and you're ready for the next steps like adding users, setting up mailboxes, and configuring MX records so your email can start flowing through Zoho.